RCB back here. 24-25 NBA Hoops. 30 cards come in these jumbo packs. Got it at Walgreens. Says look for exclusive teal, white, purple, and orange explosive parallels. I haven't got a lot of the white or purple, but I have got teal and orange. So let's see what we can get. Doesn't want to open for me. Perfect. Press these on and start with Jaylen Brown. He's a good player. Got a rookie. Don't know that name. Anthony Davis. Rookie Jonathan Mago. Got a Giannis. Tim Bona. Trace Jackson Davis. Terrence Shannon Jr. Kelly Olynyk. Jamal Murray. Good players so far. De'Aaron Fox. Marcus Smart. Jalen Johnson. Andre Jackson Jr. Grayson Allen, nobody likes. Jacob Patel, Jakob. Amen Thompson. Kawhi Leonard. Darius Garland. DeAndre Ayton. Jordan Hawkins. Got Benedict Mathurin. Oop, try not to spoil it. Cameron Johnson. Isaiah Stewart. Kyle Kuzma. Alright, we got Zachariah Ricochet. Got this one, which is upside down and backwards. Hey, you got a teal. Doesn't look like it's numbered or anything, but it's a cool looking card. Dyson Daniels. AJ Johnson. Got a Bronny James on the Skyview rookie. That's a cool looking card. And we're going to end it with our chrome looking card, and it is Malachi Brannon. Let me know what you think. Thanks.